everyone, my name is Guido Perugini. My job is to work on Bostik's climate plan. So I go around sites looking for opportunities to improve our CO2 footprint, to reduce it, and to find levers for improving our energy efficiency. So I try to work with people on site to find those levers, and then I track the projects to make sure that we go through every opportunity. So I chose this job because I have a scientific background and I think the scientific challenges are really exciting. I also want to work for Bostik's real strategy in terms of on medium and long term. Of course, I'm also deeply involved in the climate crisis, and I want to put my stone to improve our footprint. Since the mid of 2022, we found 20 projects through all of our sites. These projects have contributed to reduce our footprint by close to 2,000 tons equivalent of CO2. My job is also to improve the sensibility of our co-workers around this project, to make sure that they find themselves a project. So I am deeply involved also in our acquisition strategy of energies to make sure that they have less carbon as possible. So through projects, acquisitions and sensitivity, I help Bostik to reduce its carbon footprint. Through my position as CSR ambassador, I also animate climate fresks. I also have animated a few cycling projects, as I am myself passionate about cycling. I have trained a few people on how to repair their bicycles and how to improve their experience for cycling to work, for example. So as my own message that I would like to send to everyone is to really try to be mindful about what is our consumption, try to reuse our objects, especially electronics, as much as possible, to limit our travels, particularly with the car or the plane, because sometimes the best experience are the ones that are the closest. So.